Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Teams meeting recording settings in Microsoft 365, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Teams meeting recording settings in Microsoft 365, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the calendar icon. In the calendar view, locate the meeting you want to set up for recording. Click on the meeting to open its details. Next, select Edit in the Meeting Details window. Scroll down to find the Meeting Options link and click on it. This will open a new window where you can adjust the meeting settings. Look for the section labeled Recording. Ensure that the option to allow recording is enabled. You can also specify who can record the meeting by choosing from the available options. After making your selections, click Save to apply the changes. Now, return to the meeting details and confirm your updates. When the meeting starts, remember to begin recording by clicking on the More Actions, 3 dots, in the meeting controls. Select Start Recording. To stop recording, again click on More Actions and choose Stop Recording. After the meeting ends, the recording will be processed and stored in Microsoft Stream or OneDrive, depending on your organization settings. You can access the recording by going to the chat associated with the meeting or through the Files section in Teams. Review the recording settings periodically to ensure they meet your needs. These steps will help you effectively set up recording for your Teams meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.